Hi guys, welcome to It's Possible, where everything is possible. I'm Opal, and before I jump into these secrets that I want to share with you, I just want to encourage everyone to like, comment, subscribe. So just go ahead guys and click on the subscribe button. It's right there. It's this little red button. I'll give you 1 second. Go ahead. Alright, let's get into it. So the first secret that people don't really share regarding home ownership is that your home is a wealth creation tool. Your home is a major part of your wealth building. It's not just a roof over your head for your family. It is also that asset that is going to bring in a major part of your net worth. So your net worth is technically the assets that you own minus what you owe. So let's say, for example, you have certain assets, and assets are items that you have completely paid for. So you have a house worth 10 million that's paid off. You have 2 million in your bank account. Technically, you have $12 million worth of assets. Now, your liabilities are the monies that you owe, things you owe and you need to pay for. Now, let's say you have a loan for 7.5 million, a credit card for 500,000. The total you have owing is 8 million. Your net worth is the 8 million you owe from the $12 million worth of assets you have. So you are worth 4 million in total. That's your net worth. So when you hear celebrities' net worth, what we're really saying is how much does this person have in total in terms of their value. It's not just what is in their bank account. Net worth takes into consideration the real estate that they have, the value of their homes. If they have a business, what is the business worth? So all of that ultimately contributes to what is their value, what is their net worth overall, right? So that means, are they millionaire, billionaires? So ultimately, how wealthy are you? How wealthy are you? That's the question. Now, have you ever wondered what is your net worth? You could be a millionaire in the making. You could actually be a millionaire, and you have not even recognized that because you've never truly wondered what you're worth, or you probably didn't count your house in a part of what you're worth. What you're worth is not only money that is in the bank. It is so much more. So how does your home actually make you money? Traditionally, we used to, you rent your place, in these days we're Airbnb our homes, and those are different ways that we can make an income. But your home also brings in money just by appreciating in value. So what I mean by that, if you bought a house 5 years ago, and let's say you bought that home for $6 million, and that house now can be sold for 12 million, it means that you have gained 6 million in equity, and that is as good as money in the bank. Still on the topic of wealth creation. Now, borrowing from your home, which means taking out second mortgages, third mortgages on your home, that depletes your ability to generate wealth. The more you take out is the more you owe on the home, and it means it's less equity for you, and therefore you are reducing your accumulation of wealth. You don't want to be borrowing money against your house for frivolous reasons. If you're borrowing money against your house, it must be for something that is truly important. Not because, you see a nice car now and you want to take some money out of the house to go buy this new car or take a vacation and all these different things. There are different ways to achieve those things. If you are really truly serious about your wealth creation, you should not be taking second and third mortgages against your home for reasons that are fleeting, right? Yeah, we want to enjoy the vacation and we want to enjoy life, and that is something we're going to talk about. How do you plan and budget and save towards those experiences instead of depleting your wealth? The wealthy knows this. They know that there is so much wealth tied up into property that it's not something that is fleeting, that you just go ahead and you just borrow and leverage against your home. Now come here, listen to this. In terms of the ownership of your home, until you pay off that mortgage, that house technically belongs to the bank. Now, if you bought your home for $10 million and you have paid off $2 million, it means that 20% of the house really belongs to you. The other 80% belongs to the bank. Therefore, the idea of paying off your mortgage early is something that you won't hear people talking about, because it gets you out of debt, the mortgage debt, early, and then it also drives up your net worth, and you want that, right? Remember, at the end of the day, it's not how much you make, it's how much you keep back, how much you save, how much you invest. And your home is an investment. If you make $1 million a month and you spend $1 million a month frivolously, what you have at the end of the day? A big fat zero. Get me? Now, owning your home, you fully own your home when your mortgage is paid off, and that's just it. Nobody tells you that. Now, at the end of the day, you want to, over time, make payments, and different banks have different rules and policies about when you can start making extra payments. And I'm going to do a video on some of the benefits of paying off your mortgage early, and I have something that I really want to share with you, but that's another video. I'm going to share with you the impact of just paying small sums to your mortgage and how that reduces the amount of interest you pay over time and puts back money in your pocket, put more equity in your home, and over time puts back more cash that you can have for other investment initiatives. So you want to pay off your mortgage early, because ultimately you really only own that home or property when you have paid off the bank or the financial institution. So guys, buying a home is a big deal, right? Now, you want to ensure that you're buying something that will appreciate in value and have the potential to generate that equity that you're looking for over time. Now, a lot of us get hung up on, it's not my dream home, I want my dream home, it have to have 5 bedroom and 3 bathroom and all these different things. Now, truth is, sometimes you have to start with the home that gives you the best value within a particular location. So we are looking at getting something that will appreciate in value. You have good infrastructure around it, so when the time comes you want to resell it to buy something bigger, you can. Because sometimes you have to start small and then you get to the big thing, you get to the dream house, up Cherry Gardens or wherever it is that your dream is, in Portland, in St. Mary, in Hanover, wherever that dream is. Sometimes you have to start small. When increasing equity, you sell it, take that equity, buy something bigger, So don't think about home ownership as it has to be this big massive thing right as you start. People that you see with very impressive homes, it takes them years to build, years to acquire. You can't be 25 and trying to put your own ownership off because you want the size home that somebody who is in their 50s, who have been working and grinding for years, is afford to buy. And if you can't do that, you start smaller, and then you can always resell as it appreciates, make your money, and eventually, guess what? You are going to end up with that dream home. Okay? So those are my tips for today. I hope you enjoy them. It's about building your wealth, recognizing your home is not just a place of shelter. It is a major wealth creation tool. So until next time, remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you.